resolution. There is 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal storage. It's a quad band handset running Hive UI that is built on Android 4.4. Inside the box, you'll find this handset, the Omega 5.0, a plastic case, screen guard, travel charger, data cable, standard quality earphone, and the final content is user guide and warranty information booklet. Here is the Omega 5.0 handset that somewhat looks like the Moto G handsets. The body is made up of plastic with a glossy finishing on the back. The back cover can be removed and there's a built-in battery of 2100 mAh capacity. Build quality and the finishing is very good. The metallic silver line along the sides gives it a very unique feel and look. It runs all around these sides and blends perfectly with the volume rockers and the power button, becoming a part of it. This design is the unique feature about this handset. Volume rockers are placed on the left side. There is a 3.5mm audio jack and the micro USB port on the top, nothing at the bottom, and on the right side you'll find the power button. Handset is sturdy but it's heavy. 3 touch sensitive buttons on the front bottom. On the top you'll find the XOLO logo in called speaker, sensors and the front camera. The handset is curvier on the top and the bottom side. On the back you'll find the speaker out vent, XOLO logo, LED flash and the 8MP rear autofocus camera. As already mentioned, it almost resembles the Moto G handset. When you open up the back cover, you'll find it exactly similar to as seen on the Moto G handsets. 2100 mAh battery comes built in. This is a dual SIM handset. You need 2 micro SIMs, SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2, and there is a micro SD card slot. This handset is bulkier in the center and gets slimmer towards the edges. Omega 5.0 weight with battery is 152 grams. It is 9.94 mm thick, the breadth is 71.49 mm and the length is 143.18 mm. This handset is running Android KitKat with Hive UI. This is the lock screen and the home screen. The interface is different, it's unique, and this is how the applications are listed. Color reproduction is good, touch is smooth and responsive. The screen quality could have been better. Native video calling is supported, and this is how the phone dialer looks. The Hive UI comes with 4 key components: Edge, Secure, Power and Connect. I'm going to switch off power mode, but it's recommended that you keep it on. The navigation buttons, they do not light up. The applications are listed alphabetically, but you can also change the listing style. There are some options available. Wi-Fi Direct, Wi-Fi Hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering is supported. When the screen is locked, you can long press the home button to switch on the torch. CPU power saving mode is enabled. GPS lock is pretty fast. There is built-in GPS, and Hindi language is not supported. Viewing angles are okay. From some angles, the screen will turn black. It's a 5-inch screen with 720p resolution. The Hive UI gives you a completely different user experience. This is the quick settings option, and this is how the lock screen looks. You can directly unlock to the camera application, messages, calls, or use the simple unlock. Default write disk is set to the external card, and you can also set the preferred install location. I've set it to the external card. I'm using a 32GB external card. Of the 8GB internal storage, about 6GB is allocated for phone storage. You get around 5GB free, and of the 1GB RAM, you get around 559 MB free on the first boot. I have connected an external pen drive, OTG pen drive, and OTG is not supported. System information: MediaTek MT6592, Cortex A7, clocked at 1.4 GHz with Mali 450MP GPU. It's Octa core. This handset is running Android KitKat 4.4.2 with a 5-inch screen with 1280 by 720 pixels resolution. Ignore the screen size here. The CPU application is incorrectly reporting the same. There are 3 sensors: accelerometer, proximity and light. The time is 9:58, battery at 100% and the temperature at 31 degrees. Quadrant benchmark score is 11735, Antutu score is 27540, Villamo, Metal 792 multi-core 1324 browser 1963, Nina Mark II 59.2 FPS, and this handset supports 5-point multi-touch. And now let's check out the camera. The interface again is a bit different here. You've got the settings option, grid mode, effects, and here are the different modes available. HDR, panorama, gesture and beauty shot are supported. There is zero shutter delay, voice capture, face detection, smile shot. Picture size, as you can see, is 8 megapixel. That's the maximum. The front camera is of a 2 megapixel resolution. And the rear camera can shoot videos in full HD resolution. I'm recording this video. And this video got recorded in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. After 34 minutes, the battery dropped by 9% and the temperature is 38 degrees. For the next test, Wi-Fi is on and I'm going to switch the brightness to the maximum. I'm going to play this video shot using the same handset in a loop, and after 27 minutes, the battery dropped by 14% and the temperature is 47 degrees. Let's play some games. Asphalt 8, I've installed this game on the external storage. The gameplay is pretty smooth. And here is the next game, Modern Combat 5. This game also got installed on the external storage. The gameplay is pretty smooth. I played these games for about 26 minutes. The battery dropped by 11% and the temperature is 43 degrees. And here is the plastic case that came free inside the box pack. It fits perfectly well. It is a bit transparent and provides extra protection to the handset. XOLO had launched two handsets in the Omega series, one with a 5-inch screen and the other with a 5.5-inch screen. This is the Omega 5.0 with a 5-inch screen. It is powered by an Octa core processor, 1.4 GHz, and comes with 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. The performance is pretty smooth and the Hive UI gives you a completely new Android experience. The camera quality is above average and you can expect the battery backup of about 4 to 6 hours. XOLO mobiles have also confirmed that all